What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is my King Kong 110 GT slash 90 GT from King Kong as well. This is a combination of the parts from the 110 GT and the 90 GT. So this top plate here is from the 90 GT. Trying to make this thing more of a toothpick style quad with these huge motors though. These are 1105 motors. I guess it's more like a toothpick pro. But 2.5 inch props on here. These are the gem fan, flash. What is the 25, 40 props, I think that's what they are. And this stack here, something special is going on with the stack in here. It has the 4-in-1 ESC from the 110 GT, which is 10 amps, but it has a little 16x16 Omni flight controller in here. So I guess I'll show you guys that in a chop shop. I'll be doing something similar with the stack to my my 95 GT, and so I just wanted to bring this thing out here and test it, and that also gave me an opportunity to show you guys some of my line of sight with this little guy. Hopefully it flies nice. I have a D8 mode receiver from Emax in here, one of the ones that came in one of the Baby Hawks, that I switched to DSM satellite. So let's get this thing plugged up. So I can actually add a buzzer to this thing now. Let's take off from right here. Let's do a punch out with it. So it seems like it's a really nice flyer, just like the 110 GT. Another punch out. I have a 550 on here. Still no buzzer, so I'm gonna have to be careful with this thing. These motors on this one seem a little squeaky. I don't know if you guys can hear that squeaking, but they're performing well though. These are among my favorite motors here. Squeaky motors. Maybe I might add some oil. I never did that before. Power loop. I don't know where this battery is. And these G&B packs, they just go straight down. Let's try a quick punch out real quick. And that's what happens with the 110 GT when you overexert the battery. So I think that's what that was. It freaked out because the battery is really low, and I tried to do a punch out. So it don't look like it took any damage though. Everything seems to be intact. Not even a bent prop or anything. I did switch it off. Oh, it looks like the camera got a little scuff on the top. Let's see if it'll arm again. It's trying to go to the side though. Let's see. Oh yeah, it's all whacked out right now. Let me unplug it and reset everything. See if that stops it from freaking out. Maybe the accelerometer was all whacked out. All out of whack or whatever. Looks like something's touching. Just trying to move it. Yeah, I think the battery lead was touching. Okay, it's back to normal again. So let's bring it in. So that's it. Quick line of sight demo of this King Kong 110 GT / King Kong 90 GT hybrid. Thanks for watching.